Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download Genshin Impact on PC. So let's get started. First open your web browser and search for Genshin Impact. Next, open this official website. Next, click on this button, PC Download to download Genshin Impact installer file. I am already downloaded. Next, open your File Explorer and go to your download folder and double-click on the file that you have just downloaded. Click on Run. Go ahead and take I have read and agree to the terms of service, and then click on Install Now. Once installation is complete, click on Run Now. So you'll see the option of Get Game right here. Click on Get Game. If you see insufficient space on disk, click on Confirm, and then click on Change here. Select Desktop and then click on Select Folder. So I just allocate a folder that has enough space to install this game. Once again, click on Install and the game is installed successfully. Go ahead and launch it and you'll be able to play the game. Now, if you're tired of getting ripped off when you're shopping for games, I found the perfect thing for you. Whether you're into action, RPGs, or strategy, Kinguin has you covered with incredible discounts on thousands of titles. They offer Steam CD keys as well as PC game keys, so you can play your favorite games without having to sell a kidney. The link to Kinguin's website is in the description. Check it out.